If you haven't heard about the Instagram close friends feature, then you must watch this video now as you are going to love it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And today's video is going to be very exciting, where I'm going to explain to you one of the interesting features of Instagram. Do you remember the time when you want to post something, maybe your favorite memory or your embarrassing moment, and you post it to everyone, be it your best friend, your mother, your boss, and everyone else who is on your followers list? Due to this, you may want to post less on Instagram, or you have to think a lot before you post something. But now you no longer have to do this, as Instagram Story Close Friend feature is right here to save you from this. Instagram Stories Close Friends feature is about having control on who can watch your Instagram story. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, just open the stories and select the photo or video that you want to upload for your Instagram story, and then you will see that little green circle with the white star. Hit that, and now here you can add people to your close friends list. Alright, simply tap add to list. And now here you can just add the people that you are closest to on Instagram. Instagram will suggest the friends you interact with the most, alright? Or you can also search for your close friends. Simply tap add for the person you want to add. Go back and then tap create list. Alright, so your close friends list has been created. You can always edit it whenever you want, and you can remove the people you want. Alright, so for that you have to tap the green button, and yeah, your post has been created, and this post will only be visible to your close friends. Alright, also if you want to make some changes in your close friends list, you can simply tap this green star at the top right corner of the screen, and here you have to tap edit your close friends list. Alright, and now from here you can simply remove or add people, or you can remove all of your close friends if you want. Alright, the good thing about Instagram close friends feature is it only allows you to see your close friends list and no one else can access it. Also, no one can ask to be a part of the list, and the best part is no one gonna know when you drop them from your close friends list. Alright, also if someone has added you to their close friends list, then you will see a green ring around the profiles of your close friends, and you will also see the green badge when you are watching their story. So yeah, that was all about how you can use the close friends feature of Instagram story, and now you know what to do when you want to post something to your close friends and not to everybody. So have fun with the Instagram stories close friends feature, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. I will be back soon with my next video. Thank you for watching.